Hey guys, it's Ken, and today we're gonna talk about Blend Tool. So this is a cool way to make a 3D like text effect like this. So let's jump into it. First, let's make a new document. And then ang pinakauna natin gagawin is magsusulat tayo gamit ang ating brush tool. Magsulat lang tayo ng kahit ano. Let's say hello. Yan. Next is gagawa tayo ng circle. Press L on your keyboard. Tanggalin natin yung stroke. Lagyan natin ng gradient. Palitan natin yung color. Let's say ito. Tsaka light blue. Like so. And then, i-duplicate natin siya by holding Alt, Shift, then click, drag. Tapos, isa-select natin to pareho. Go to Object, and then Blend. Tapos, Blend Options. Dito sa spacing, isa-select natin yung specified steps and itong Align to Page. Tapos, let's say, maglagay lang tayo ng 50 or 20 muna para makita natin. Then, hit OK. Next step, go to Object, Blend, and then Make. So, ito yung sinelect natin kaninang 20 steps. The more the number is, the more na smooth siya. So, let's go back to Blend Options and let's make this 1000. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is itong blend natin is ilalagay natin dito siya sa brush stroke natin. So, para mangyari yun, select natin sila pareho. Let's go back to Object, Blend, and Replace Spine. Ayan na. Mukha na siyang 3D. Para sa akin, ang gagawin ko na lang dito is lilitan ko yung kapal niya. Let's use the Direct Selection tool. Click dun sa pinakadulong object. Hit V on your keyboard. And i-resize natin siya. And then, gawin din natin sa kabila. Pwede rin natin i-adjust yung parang shadow effect niya. Gamitin ulit natin yung Direct Selection tool. Then, i-click natin itong circle na to. Then, hit the V button on your keyboard. Zoom in tayo. Tapos, i-rotate natin siya. Yan. So, nakikita nyo, habang niro-rotate natin siya, nagbabago yung shade niya. And then, try din natin gawin dito. Another thing is, pwede rin natin baguhin yung color. So, let's select that. And then, let's go back here sa gradient. Try naman natin ang, let's say, dark green. And ito is, gawin natin brighter green. Kung gusto nyo, parang nasa ibabaw itong nasa ilalim na to, ang gagawin lang natin is select natin yan, tapos go to Object, Blend, Reverse Spine. And that's it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.